Well, welcome back, you guys. The party was such a success here. We had a broker open house at 2101, 2103, and 2105 Tremont Trail today, and we had an amazing turnout, didn't we, ladies?
Thank you so much, y'all.
Yeah, so this video is... Alice, your phone is ringing. It's perfect. Maybe somebody is going to write an offer right now. So anyways, thank you so much, you guys, everyone that came. The party was such a huge success. We still had a lot of food left over. So if you missed our event because you thought we wouldn't have enough food or margaritas, well,
too bad.
We're gonna have to have your portion now. But anyhow, like I said for like the millionth time, huge success. So everyone had to go home because the party was only 2 hours. But we're done cleaning up now, and now we're gonna do a drawing because we promised you guys we had some giveaways. We had Amber from New American Funding that got us some cool gifts, and Joanne, our broker, has a gift card, and I'm going to turn it over to you ladies now.
And we want to say thank you for Amber and New American Funding for all the support, and Suzanne LaBarbera with Maison Tato. You guys were amazing, everyone.
Lots of contributions behind the scenes.
Yes. So
Amazing.
setting up everything, the food and the kitchen,
And Gina
helping us around.
oh my gosh. Everyone
She's awesome.
great.
Yes, thank you for participating and helping us with all that and bringing the prizes that we're now gonna do drawing for us.
So here we go first. This one is from Amber with New American Funding. Amber
Okay.
Armstrong. So who's our lucky winner?
Oh,
Okay, do not look. This is a surprise.
Right.
Alice. Okay, can you feel it? Here we come.
It's a blank card.
Suzanne?
Suzanne at Mason.
Nice. Here you go, Suzanne.
Thank you, Suzanne. You win the prize. the
Next
big
time you
prize.
drop off one of Libby's checks, you can get this for her.
Right?
Please,
I'm sure that'll
yes.
be any minute now, right? Okay.
Yes.
Then we got a hammock. I'm gonna be Vanna White here. Come on, let's do this, Libby.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that's pretty
Isn't
cool.
it awesome?
Okay.
Well-
I don't get to play in this one, but I
My
like
card's
it.
in there.
Oh, is it?
No.
Yeah, well,
I know, don't you draw
mine's
this
the
card.
thick card. It's the thickest one in there.
This is cool. Okay. Feel it. Draw. I don't have
Okay, I'm gonna
one.
pick one.
Let's see who that is.
That is Kayla Hampton.
Nice.
From our office.
Congrats.
Fantastic.
Next time you sell one of Libby's listings, you can pick this up in her office.
Especially this one.
There you go. So put Suzanne here, Kayla here, and then the last one is.
This is a $50 American Express gift card from Coldwell Banker, donated by Joanne Revel. Let's make this a good one.
They are good ones, Libby. Everyone came.
Yeah, and just so you guys know,
A real good person.
if my name is actually drawn, it's going to go back in there. So,
Okay.
Just so everyone knows.
Do you have it? Let's
I'm
do
not
it.
trying. I'm
Okay.
not looking.
You're not looking. Here we go.
The suspense.
Hey!
This is
Usling. I can't say your last name.
okay.
Usling.
Uh-huh.
Yes. You win.
Thank you so much for coming, Usling.
And let's pronounce
she's with
that.
Work Impact.
Go ahead, Libby.
Sean wants me to pronounce it. Uh-huh. You can pronounce that one.
Hey, my last name is hard too, so
Okay. All
here
right.
you go.
This is the winner.
Feel free to come by our
Last name with
office.
Work Impact.
Uh-huh.
Thank you for coming. Thanks for your
Yes.
support and staying here with us
she's
to the last
beautiful.
minute.
We
She
promise
is, and she's a great realtor too.
Not to try and recruit you when you come and pick up your $50 gift card.
Oh my gosh, I love that name. I wish I could pronounce it. But come by anyway, and we will give you
Absolutely.
this $50 gift card. Thank you.
And if you didn't win, I'm so sorry. Come to the next one and play again.
Yes.
Thanks everyone for coming to the Broker Open, and we will catch you guys on the next one.
And we hope to see you again soon.
Yes.
Okay.